Okay, I'm going to try to explain how this works and where everything goes. So, I'm going to try to stay up tonight as well. This is for Price Checker. So, this file is attached to, I'm going to put it onto the task, and it's the original one's already on there in the story, but I've updated this. So, as you can see, the results when you hit Get Price, down here we're going to have a two tabs interface. Tab 1 is pricing, tab 1 is or 2 is material. So in this spreadsheet that is also going to be on the task, I have added a couple columns. One is UI tab and one is the UI section. The UI tab, the value pricing is for this one. The value material is for the second one. Now then the UI section, I've labeled each section on the output as a section number, as you can see here. Those sections are unique per tab. So if you look at section 1 is actually a repeating group. It's going to have multiple records. You kind of see the formatting here. The selected row here is based on the unit of measure, and it's the one that you've actually selected up here. And so they highlight that one and put in a little checkbox here. All right, so we want this table built for any fields that's over here that has a tab of pricing and has a section of 1, which are these fields. So now which are these fields? Well, in the output, you're going to get something that looks like this. All right, now then, here is the structure, which is called ZPRUOM. So here's your output, and the structure ZPRUM is basically an XML structure here with repeating groups. So for each item in here, you will create one row. The unit of measure column is this value right here, which comes in right here. The quantity, the Z-list, so you see these are matching what's up in the RFC mapping doc here, so that's how the matching is. And so each one of these equals one row, and that one row is for right here. So in this case, the document I got back, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have 4 rows in here. All right. Now then, on the table, just use an asset. I think that you can use an asset that's out there that gives us pagination, gives us sorting out of the box. There's definitely assets for that. All right, now then, coming down here. So this is the customer subgroup, or UI section 2. What this means is, in here, in the mapping doc, we're going to be on the pricing tab still. We're going to go where the section is number 2. So in here, we're going over here to what structure it's in is this one. And that one is up here. See, this structure matches here. The fields we want to display are the elements of these that are in here. All right. And then those for 2 go in a customer box that looks like this. Material is section 3 on the pricing tab. So again, pricing, section 3, structure, element in the structure. And that's the model. Then when you keep coming down here, now then you've got material as a tab, UI section 1. So where that starts is down here you'll see it says material, you'll see section 1, and then you'll see these fields. They're in this structure and this XML element. And here's the layout that they need to be displayed at in here.